90 at Buffalo, 79 at Toronto, and 83 at Elmira. At Oswego, winds soar northwest at 5 knots, with a temperature.
The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flood marine warning for Erie to Albany until midnight. At 3:13 p.m., Doppler radar thunderstorms across the warned area. Waves 2 feet or less than over the past hour. Additional waves 1 foot or less are possible in the wind area. Marine flooding will begin shortly. Locations will experience marine flooding include Wayne, Mexico, Booth 606, Kingston, Ontario, Erie, Toronto, Genoa, Albany, Tully, Syracuse, York, Sodus, Venice, Elmira, Trenton, Expo Hill 6, Booth B642, Amboy, Auburn and Watertown. Turn shore. Don't drown when flooded lake. Most flood crafts in marines. Move to safe harbor. Act mainly to protect your life. Be marine winds at night when it is harder to call the waves of flooding. Please report flooding to local nearshore waters and law enforcement and pass this open waters to the Lake Ontario when you can do so safely.